Our modern world is awash in plastic. This versatile material is everywhere, from packaging and electronics to clothing and construction materials. Plastics are synthetic polymers, long chains of molecules derived from fossil fuels like oil and natural gas. The very properties that make plastics so useful also contribute to their negative environmental impact. A plastic bottle, for instance, can take hundreds of years to decompose in a landfill. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch, a swirling vortex of plastic waste twice the size of Texas, stands as a stark reminder of our plastic problem. As plastic waste degrades in the environment, it breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastics. These tiny particles, less than 5 millimeters in size, are now ubiquitous in our oceans, rivers, soil, and even the air we breathe. They are ingested by marine life, entering the food chain and potentially reaching our dinner plates. Microplastics act like sponges, absorbing harmful pollutants from the surrounding water. These toxins can then be transferred to organisms that ingest the microplastics, accumulating in their tissues and potentially impacting their health. The widespread presence of microplastics in our environment highlights the urgent need to address this emerging threat. In the face of mounting plastic pollution, bioplastics have emerged as a promising solution. Unlike traditional plastics derived from fossil fuels, bioplastics are made from renewable resources like cornstarch, sugarcane, and vegetable oils. This fundamental difference makes bioplastics a more sustainable alternative. Their renewability reduces our reliance on fossil fuels and lowers carbon emissions. Furthermore, many types of bioplastics are biodegradable, meaning they can decompose naturally in a matter of months or years. The development and adoption of bioplastics represent a significant step towards a circular economy. The production of bioplastics involves harnessing the power of nature's building blocks. Plants, through photosynthesis, convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into complex sugars like cellulose and starch. These natural polymers serve as the raw materials for creating bioplastics. The process often involves fermentation, where microorganisms break down plant sugars into lactic acid. This lactic acid is then polymerized to form polylactic acid, or PLA, a common type of bioplastic. Researchers are constantly exploring new ways to improve the performance and versatility of bioplastics. When comparing bioplastics to traditional plastics, the most significant difference lies in their origins and end-of-life options. Traditional plastics are derived from finite fossil fuels, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and environmental pollution. In contrast, bioplastics utilize renewable resources, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and lowering our carbon footprint. While traditional plastics persist in the environment for hundreds of years, many bioplastics are biodegradable. They can be composted under specific conditions, breaking down into natural byproducts without leaving harmful residues. However, it's essential to choose bioplastics carefully and dispose of them responsibly based on their specific properties. The transition to a more sustainable future requires a collective effort, and embracing bioplastics is a crucial step in the right direction. Governments can play a vital role by implementing policies that encourage the development, production, and adoption of bioplastics. Consumers also have a significant part to play. By choosing products made from bioplastics and supporting companies committed to sustainability, individuals can contribute to a cleaner, healthier planet. Educating ourselves about the different types of bioplastics and their proper disposal methods is essential. Let us act now for the sake of our oceans, our ecosystems, and the future of life on Earth.